Smoking and vaping increase the spread of coronavirus. Smoking regular and e-cigarettes leads to an increase in transmission and infection COVID-19, say American doctors. Smokers and vapers are not only more at risk of exposure to coronavirus, but also actively distribute it among other, says Dr. John Taylor Hayes, J. Taylor Hayes, the therapist at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester. The impact of all types of smoking leads to the formation of more mucus in the lungs, delaying the coronavirus inside and increasing chances of infection. Primary surveys in China showed that the mortality rate among smokers was slightly higher than among non-smokers. Quitting smoking brings immediate benefits. This is not something you will notice over the next few weeks. This will happen immediately. Less coughing. Less shortness of breath. Less mucus. And probably all this means less risk of complications from COVID-19? Said the therapist. For this day we hope that we have succeeded by giving you the full details and information. You can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you.